Okay, so this is our crazy little kitty.
He fetches.
Pablo Booger Bear Al-Qaeda Smith.
You ready?
You ready?
Perform for the camera.
Go get it. Okay, I don't know where he went. We gotta throw something that we can see. Come on. Brr. He didn't do it. He's camera shy. Do it with the little thingy, not the ball.
Because I mean, if he goes and gets the ball, it's a lot cooler.
Let's see, will he come back? There he comes. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. All right, you ready? Ready? Go get it. We're just going to stake this one out. Go get it. Just go get it. Good boy. He's like, I'm camera shy. And there's Sasha. She wants to attack too. Go get it. They're so silly. Sasha wants to get in on this game too.
Not sure where he learned it. Don't know if he maybe used to live with a dog that did it or what. See, Sasha will always go steal the ball from her.
Sasha.
Run off with it and take it away.
Do the little hair thingy. He'll do that too. He's so silly. Bugs. Why'd he go get it? Come on.
It's like, what are y'all doing? No, just leave him alone. He won't do it if you mess with him about it. He's like, what are y'all doing?
He's all camera shy. He's like, what are y'all doing? Okay.